Hey guys, it's Jonathan. So today I'm going to show you how to get perfect car windows. It can be for any car, SUV, my Miata here I'm going to be using as an example. I'm going to show you how to clean it, remove water spots, what products are good, and how to seal it so you won't get water spots again, and it's perfect for any weather condition. Alright, so this is my test window that I have here, and you can see that there's some pretty hard water spots right here. And the best way that I figured out, instead of using chemicals, which I've had trouble using in the past, this is just word of mouth, but using ultra fine steel wool, let me see if I can focus here. Using the ultra fine steel wool, which is like grade 000, it actually gets rid of the water spots on here. So let me see if I can give you an example. Alright, so I have my steel wool here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of pressure and I'm just going to wipe over. So you can see here that I'm not pressing a lot on it, just doing a light pressure on it throughout. And you can see those water spots are disappearing. Now if it is a little bit harder, you might have to put a little bit more force, but you definitely should not have to press like your whole body weight on it. And I heard some comments, people saying it scratched the window and stuff, but make sure, like I said, it is the ultra fine steel wool. And if you're not sure, you could always test it at the corner of your windshield right here to make sure. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all the water spots throughout this entire window, and then I'll see you when I'm done. Alright, great. All the water spots are off now. So what we're going to do is clean it with invisible glass. Now, this is the product I use. You could use other products like Windex and stuff, but I've just had most luck using invisible glass, and we're going to use the invisible glass to make sure we get rid of any steel wool remnants and any of the dirt that might be left on before we put on the sealants. Alright, now you can see that the glass looks super clean. You can see right through it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the glass sealant on it, so water will now just bead off rather than just staying on the window. That should help prevent some of the water spots that will be going on. So for today's window sealant, we're going to be using Griot's glass sealant. You can use any other sealant that you want. Rain-X is another popular one, but this is just the one I have on hand. So I'm going to show you probably a before and after and how to apply it. So we'll see how that goes right now. So after reading Griot's glass sealant instructions, all it says is that I have to apply it to a clean microfiber cloth, which I'm going to do, and then we're just going to wipe it onto the glass. We're going to allow it to dry to haze, which I'll show you in a bit, and then we'll apply a second coat, and then after that we'll watch the difference. So alright, I'm going to get some on my cloth here. Now the instruction videos, they said only place a little bit, but the person used a little bit, a lot, so I'm going to place about that much, maybe a little bit more. Obviously you don't need to use the whole bottle for the window, unless you're doing all your windows. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe it onto the window as such. And they said in a crosshatch, remember, so it's like, I'm going to do it sideways first, as such. And then I'm going to do up, down. And I'm going to wait for that to dry or to haze, and then we'll apply the second coat in. Okay, so now you can see that the window actually started to haze. So I think it's ready for our second coat, so I'm going to put that on right now. Okay, so it looks like the second coat has hazed now, so that means it's ready for removal. Just going to use a separate cloth that's clean to take it out. Is the camera on me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. The sealant is now done on the left side of the car. Back on me, back on me. No, don't. Did you press the button again?
No.
Okay. Just keep it on me. So the sealant's on the left side of the car now. We're going to be doing a professional water test where I just throw water on the side with sealant versus the side without sealant. Okay, just keep the camera on me.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll get a side by side. Remember, sealant, no sealant. Okay, let's get it. So this is the side with sealant. You could just see how it beads off versus the side without sealant. Okay, so after throwing just water with the side with sealant, you could see that there is still mist that still hangs on there, but you could see that it does bead off for the most part, especially towards the bottom of the window. But then if we come to the side without sealant, you could just see that all that stuff just stayed on. So this is on, off, so at least you get a better understanding of with it. You can actually see the line as to where the sealant doesn't apply. So I would say for the most part it's not a huge difference, but it does make a difference. I know this was more of a shorter video. This was actually my first video. Hopefully I have more car videos to come. It's just more to share the stuff that I learned with other people because I didn't really have a lot of people to show me. So hopefully this can help whoever else, whether you're a single mom or a person who just got a car or something like that. Hopefully this can help you out. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell me anything else you're interested, or give me a tip. Maybe I could learn something from you guys. Also, I want to apologize for looking like a person off a Jersey Shore. But other than that, I hope you guys have a good day, and goodbye.